The strategic issues of the anti-Japanese guerrilla warfare at that time. China was vast yet weak, confronted by a small but powerful Japanese invasion. The Japanese army occupied significant territories, but was constrained by insufficient troop numbers. Recognizing this situation, Mao Zedong emphasized that guerrilla warfare must ascend to a strategic level, engaging in prolonged operations behind enemy lines. This essay aims to correct the prevailing underestimation of guerrilla warfare and the over-reliance on conventional battlefronts, thereby clarifying the direction of the Communist forces' anti-Japanese resistance. The essence of guerrilla warfare lies in self-preservation, growth, and the annihilation of the enemy. This necessitates a flexible application of tactics, seeking offensive opportunities during defensive maneuvers, executing decisive battles within the context of prolonged warfare, and striking from external lines when engaged in internal operations. By concentrating superior forces and launching surprise attacks on small enemy units, guerrilla fighters could swiftly engage and then retreat. In 1938, as the Japanese advanced rapidly and the nationalist army faced successive defeats, Mao Zedong capitalized on the enemy's troop shortages, enabling communist forces to conduct extensive guerrilla operations behind enemy lines. For a sustained resistance, guerrilla forces needed to establish solid bases of operation, effectively eliminating the scourge of banditry. These bases could be located in mountainous areas, plains, or regions near rivers and lakes. By striking against the enemy, mobilizing the populace, and establishing anti-Japanese governance, these bases could gradually be fortified. Functioning like living eyes in the game of Go, these strongholds allowed guerrilla forces to survive and flourish, even amid enemy encirclement. Given the limited international assistance and the immense pressure on the conventional battlefront, these bases became the foundation of the Communist forces' resistance efforts. Within these bases, the troops continuously improved, ultimately evolving into a regular army capable of conducting mobile warfare. On the level of command, strategic unity was essential, yet subordinate units were granted the authority to exercise flexibility in tactical execution. Mao's strategic assessments adeptly grasped the dynamics of the enemy and friendly forces, guiding the communist troops to grow from tens of thousands into a formidable force of millions. This transformation became a key element in restraining the Japanese army and achieving victory, thereby laying the groundwork for the Chinese Revolution.